Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change kids profile on Netflix to a normal profile or to adult profile. So let's get started. First of all, we go and open the Netflix account, our Netflix account. After that, we click on our profile icon on the top right of the screen. After that, we go and click on Manage Profiles. And we click on the pen in the kids profile that you want to change, like this. For example, for me, the kids profile is called Test. I will click on the pen. And after that, as you can see, the first option is called maturity rating. Maturity rating. We just click on it. And as you can see here, you can see the maturity rating of this profile is kids +10. And they say only show titles rated +10 and below for this profile. So we click on account settings. And now he tells you to type your password. After typing your password, you will be on this page. On this page, you just need to, like when you see your kids profile, display the Netflix kids experience with title just for kids. You click on the blue mark in front of it. The box should be empty like this. And you click on +18. And after that, you go and click on save. After that, we will go again to our Netflix account. And as you can see, the test profile is no more kids profile. And as you can see on the maturity rating, there is no restriction. And like that, you can change your kids profile on Netflix to a normal profile or to adult profile. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video, and see you in the next one.